Hi, I'm Ryan, the Frugal Analyst. One of the cheapest way to borrow money is borrowing from your own 401k. You can borrow up to $50,000 or half of your 401k balance for up to 5 years to use on anything and up to 5 to 10 years if it's used to buy a primary home. The interest that you pay goes back to your own 401k account, making it almost free, and there's no penalty as long as you pay it back in time. It's a great tool if you need some extra cash, trying to close a home, or whatever emergencies you may have. There's no credit check, it's quick, and it's typically cheaper than other loan options. So in this video, I'll show you how to borrow from a 401k plan registered from Fidelity and Principal. I'll show you how much it costs and what you need to know. To get started, you need a 401k plan that allows you to borrow. The employer decides this. Some programs might have the option, some will not. You got to check your own account to confirm. Now, let's go through how to do it in Fidelity and Principal. In the process, I'll show you the fees and the rates I see for my situation. Starting with Fidelity, select your 401k account. Click the button for Request or View a Loan or Withdrawal. Now click See Your Loan Options. Now there are a few options here. The first two in purple is to take out a loan. One is for a general loan, the other one is for a home loan. Notice that the general loan has a maximum of 5 years while the home loan has a maximum of 10 years. They both carry a 7.5% interest that is paid back to your 401k account. Going through the general loan option, putting some numbers, we get the loan information. The interest rate for this Fidelity account is at 7.5%. This will go back to your 401k account. The fees is $75 to start without any maintenance fee. The repayment method is a direct deduction from the payroll. You can go through the process and it's pretty easy. Now in Principal, this is a different account with different fees and options. So you go into your account, click Loans and Withdrawals, click Explore Loan. Now you can see a general loan and a primary residence loan. The term is up to 5 years for a general loan and 15 years maximum for a primary residence loan. So let's put in some numbers. And in this Principal plan, the interest rate is at 6.5%. The setup fee is $75 with a $12 quarterly maintenance fee. The interest and the fees are the same whether I choose a general loan or a home loan for any duration. In my personal example, my two plans have some similarities and differences. They both have the general loan options up to 5 years. The Principal has a longer loan option up to 15 years. The Principal interest rate is 1% lower than Fidelity. The setup fee is the same, but Principal do charge $12 quarterly fee while Fidelity only charged the setup fee. Now, I don't know what your options are going to be, so do check with your 401k provider to see. Now, as you are borrowing, keep in mind that the money has to be repaid in time. Both Fidelity and Principal are repaid by payroll deduction. Otherwise, you might get hit by the 10% tax penalty. This also requires your 401k plan to be open. If you're changing jobs and won't have the same 401k plan, you'll have to pay back that loan amount immediately. So that's how you borrow from a 401k. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next Frugal videos.